Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Fitri, and I'd like to explain my paper about critical thinking in mathematics education of bibliometric analysis. Mathematics is a subject that requires critical thinking to analyze and solve complex problems. Critical thinking is the ability thinking in what the thinker thinking to improve the quality of thinking that is focused on deciding what to believe or to do to solve the problem. There are many researchers who have studied about critical thinking, like Mafaraja and Junali, Sutama, Waadi, Kalimo, and the others, Putri, Prasetyo, and the others, Asi, Saad, and Sankarans, Pantiwati, Kusniyarti, Permana, Nurrohman, and Sari, Sinaga, Setiawan, and Liana, and the other resources too. I'm interested to use bibliometric analysis in this paper because bibliometric analysis is a method used to analyze of academic publishing related to a chosen topic uses statistics to describe the trends. There are 4 questions in this paper. First is how is the distribution of research publication about critical thinking based on year, sources, and document type. Second, which country has published the most research on critical thinking? Third, who is the leading author has published the most research on critical thinking? And the last question is what are the interest research based on the co-occurrence analysis of author keywords? The research method in this paper, I use Scopus database. How to do gather data from Scopus? First, we open the Scopus website and we will typing the keyword like critical thinking, and we will add search field, and we will typing again the keyword junior high school or senior high school or secondary school, and we click search, and then there are 893 document result. We will filter it by subject area. We will click something like in this screen. We will click exclude, and we will filter it by year. Since 2019 until 2023. And the document type are article and conference paper. And the language is English. We will click limit to, and there are 148 document results. All of these 1048 document results are articles. Click all and we will export it. Click all of this and we will export it by format CSV Excel. After we export it, we will analyze it by Fast Viewer and RStudio. The result for question number 1, how is the distribution of research publication about critical thinking based on year, sources, and document type? All of these document type are articles. At 20 and 19, at 20 and 19, there are 24 articles. At 20 and 20, there are 45 articles. At 20 and 21 There are 31 articles. At 2022, there are 39 articles, and at January 2023 until May 2023, there are 9 articles. And based on sources, International Journal of Instruction and Universal Journal of Education Research have the most number of article with 10 article of each sources. And for the question number 2, which country has published the most research on critical thinking? Based on the analysis, we got Indonesia, who have the most research on critical thinking, followed by Turkey with 8 articles, and followed by Malaysia, Netherlands, Hong Kong, and Thailand with 5 articles of each country, and the other with, we can see in this chart. Okay, for the third question, who is the leading author has published the most research on critical thinking? Based on the analysis I do, Haru Kuswanto has published the most research on critical thinking. And Bronkhorst, Goodhart, Kurniawan, Roda, and Sure have 3 articles of each authors. And for the last question, what are the interest research based on the co-occurrence analysis of author keywords? According to this pics, there are 13 clusters. Critical thinking in this blue in these blue colors appeared 51 times with 27 links in this 1, 2, 3, and we can calculate it. All of these links are 27, and the other critical thinking with the red colors appear 23 times with 15 links. Okay, the next pics is we can see in this color, and 20 and 21, the color is yellow. We can see in this overlay visualization, secondary school students, STEM education, blended learning. Yeah, in this blended learning, 21st century skills, creative thinking skills, and the others are the most recent research on critical thinking with publication of 20 and 21. So the conclusion of this conference, from the scopus, there are 148 documents published between 20 and 19 until May 20 and 23. International Journal of Instruction and Universal Journal of Educational Research are the most sources of published document with 10 documents each. Indonesia has the highest number of total document with 50 documents based on the author. Based on the other documents, Hercule Swanton has published the most articles on critical thinking. The result of co-occurrence analysis based on author keyword, beside critical thinking and critical thinking skill, secondary school and secondary education are the most appear with 6 occurrences. The most document publication of 2021 are secondary school student, STEM education, related learning, and we can see and the others. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.